Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert letterhead on the last page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert a letterhead on the last page. Go to the first page and go to Layout menu. Then click Breaks drop down menu, then choose Continuous. Then go to the second page and apply the same process. Then go to the third page and double click on the letterhead text. Then go to the header and footer menu. Then click link to previous. Then go to the another letterhead text and click link to previous. Then delete the letterhead text. Then click close header and footer option. Now we can see here we insert letterhead only the last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.